we're gonna start with the magic ring. We take the tail of the working yarn, we wrap it around our finger like so. We insert the hook under this strand of yarn and we yarn over. That is the magic ring. Now we're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make 2 double crochets into the ring. This is 1 and 2. And the first chain 3 counts as double crochet throughout. Now we're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna make 3 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Before we finish the last stitch, we're gonna fasten off because we are going to change colors. Now we're gonna join the new color. You can make a slip knot or not. Either way is fine. Now I'm gonna make a slip knot. This is another way of joining the new yarn. So we join the new color and we finish the stitch. We turn our work. Now we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and the same stitch we're going to make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Now we go to the chain 3 space, and right there we're gonna make 3 double crochets, 3. And now we're going to make chain 3 all in the same space, and we're going to make 3 more double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. So we end up with 3 double crochets in the first stitch, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same chain 3 space, and now we go to the very last stitch and we make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Before we finish the stitch, we repeat what we did in the row before. We fasten off and we change colors. We join the new yarn. Just pull those tails so it's a little bit more secure, the yarn there. Turn our work. We chain 3 in the same stitch. We're gonna make 2 more double crochets. So this is 1 and this is 2. Now in any chain space in between the groups, we're gonna make 3 double crochets. So right here we make 1, 2, and 3. Now we go to the chain 3 space for the corner space, and we always in that part we make 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets, all in the same chain 3 space. Now in the chain space in between the groups, we always make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And we always repeat, we mirror what we did at the beginning at the end. So in the very last stitch, we have to make 3 double crochets in the same stitch. 2 and 3. And again, the last stitch we don't finish because we always change colors right there. So we pull those tails to secure the yarn right there. We turn our work, we make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This always counts as double crochet. We make 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. This is the 3rd double crochet, and now we go to the chain space and we make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. We go to the next chain space. Always in between the groups we make 3 double crochets, 2 and 3, and we go to the corner space or the chain 3 space, and we repeat the same. We make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. We go to the next chain space, same thing, 3 double crochets, next chain space, 3 double crochets, and in the last stitch we end up with 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. And right now we're gonna finish. There you have a perfect, beautiful triangle. I hope you guys like it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.